Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Harry Potter logo. So let's get started. To draw this Harry Potter logo, let's first start by drawing the H. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line across. So this is basically the left column on the H. And so this is the top of it, and I'm going to come in. I'm going to bring it in right here and on the other side as well. So then from there, I'm going to bring in the straight line down. So this left column here is a little bit shorter and wider than the one on the other side. So I'm just going to keep that in mind. So I'm going to bring this down. Keep bringing it down. So about right there. Then I'm going to flare it out. This little angle right here at the bottom. And come down as well over here, and we're going to do the same thing. So this side's a tiny bit lower. If you want to be ultra accurate, it does slant a little bit. It's not completely straight. So I'm just going to slant it a tiny bit. So the logo itself, this is all going to be black. So I'm not concerned about the inside, it's just more of the outside. So when I shade it in, I can go in and fix everything later. Okay, so now to draw the other column, we're going to get real close to it. So a little bit higher. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to start right there. And once again, I'm going to draw a straight line across. But this time it's not going to be as wide. So about right there, then bring this part in and this part in as well, and now I'm going to go straight down again. So I know this one's easier because I can just go all the way down past this point right here, and so then about right there I'm just going to start to flare it out. So then this comes straight down. And about right there, same thing, flare it out and connect it. So slightly lower as well on this one, not a completely straight line. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come probably in the center in this area right here, and I'm going to draw a slant. I know it looks really wobbly right now, but I'm going to go in there and fix everything up. I just want to get everything in first to make sure. And so then it's going to come about right here, and we're going to draw this curve that comes out. This little hook, and then bring it back to there. From there, I'm going to start to work on the P. So I'm going to come right here next to this H, and come up. In this area, I'm going to give myself a point. I'm going to start really close to it, and right here I'm going to draw a straight line across. So we're going to work on the lightning bolt portion of the P first. So then bringing this line down, I'm going to angle it down and then bring this straight down. Okay, so then from here, before I go any further, I'm going to imagine this being overlapped. It's going to come out about right here. And I'm going to bring in this little curve that comes into the lightning bolt. So about right here, it's going to come down. It's a little bit too wide. Okay, so then about there, I can go ahead and connect this now to about right there. And then in this area, I can start the next angle right here. So about right here, I'm going to put in another angle. So the angle is following the same one at the top. So that's the goal. So about right there. And then I'm going to zigzag out another one. And now I can bring it down. I'm going to pass this H, go all the way down. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and finish this part. So I'm going to bring this down more. Just a slight bend right here, not completely straight. If you want to be a stickler about it. Okay, so then just gonna imagine an angle, so about right here. And come down again. Come straight down. And once again, about right here. Zigzag. And now we can go ahead and connect it. Okay, so we have the lightning bolt in. Now for the P part of it right here, this little loop. So I'm going to come out about, let's see here. So it comes out about right here. So it's about the same area. Bring out this slight angle. So remember, cuties, we're doing this freehand. That's why I'm kind of drawing small so it makes it a little bit easier. So it won't be exactly the same, but we just want to get as close as possible, right? Just get this H and the P in and we're good. So then right here is a little handle part. And bring it down. So then this little handle is going to come about the same area as right here. So it's going to dip up. I keep looking back at the original logo to make sure I'm doing this correctly. Okay, so then right here, I'm going to bring down an angle, and this is going to connect. Okay, so finally done. Now comes the fun part where I'm just going to go in and fill everything black, and then wherever I need to adjust, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So they're all done. As you can see, I used my whiteout pen right here in this little area because I felt it went a little too thick on this little band between the H and the P. So thankfully to this whiteout pen, I was able to fix this little area here. But hopefully I was able to help you draw this Harry Potter logo and made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.